Hello, good morning YouTube. I'm just gonna ask how can you fix an Olympus that can that basically is worthless. You can't open it because when you open it, this happens. That basically what's happening here. Tried charging it and it just won't charge, or basically when cellphones charge it can be entirely fixed by a computer, but when I charge this it's just doesn't charge, so my computer can scan it. So please give me instruction, comment down below if you have a clue, and thank you for answering my question.